Attack. He was attacked by a group of people. The soldier was injured in the attack. Include. Can you include my friend in the team? We should include everyone in the group chat. Worry. I am worried because I lost my keys. Stop worrying, it's not a big problem. Protect. Don't worry, I will protect you from all dangers. You should protect your skin from the sun. Repeat. Please repeat after me. I don't understand. Can you repeat it? Complain. I don't want to complain, but this pasta is cold. I will complain if the service is bad. Disappoint. I was disappointed with my exam result. I don't want to disappoint my parents. Boring. The lecture was boring, and I almost fell asleep. This place is boring, there is nothing to do. Borrow. I borrowed money from my brother to buy a gift. May I borrow your phone for a minute? Careless. Don't be careless while crossing the road. You should be careful, not careless. Comfortable. The bed is so comfortable that I don't want to get up. I was not comfortable in the crowded room. Compare. I will compare the prices before I buy anything. Don't compare yourself to others, you are unique. Complete. My homework is complete now. The doctor completed the checkup quickly. Cost. How much does this bag cost? The movie tickets cost $12 each. Direction. Can you tell me the direction to the park? We are going in the right direction now. Divide. Please divide the pizza into 4 pieces. The coach will divide the team into 2 groups. Famous. Everyone knows her because she is famous. I visited a famous museum yesterday. Follow. Don't follow me to the store, I will go alone. Follow me, I know the way. Forget. I forgot the charger, so I can't charge my phone. Don't forget your umbrella, it's raining. Guess. I guess it's going to rain later. Can you guess what is in the box? Wish. I wish I won the lottery and became rich. I wish I could meet my favorite singer. Visit. I visited the hospital to see my aunt. I want to visit my old school one day. Spend. She spent $50 on a new shirt. I spend an hour in the gym every day. Agree. Do you agree with me or not? I agree that it's a good idea. Add. Can you add some milk to my tea? I will add some salt to the soup.